Hello everyone! I have a great product over here. I would like to share it with you. It's a double hammock with stand, and I received it for the valuation purposes, and this is my personal opinion. This hammock is very nicely designed. It provided with enough space for two people. It also sturdy and durable and can support for up to 500 pounds. It also comes with a detachable pillow, and it's made out of ultra soft and comfortable fabric. Besides that, it also designed with the balance ropes, which is great, that prevent this hammock from tipping over or flipping. So it provides with the maximum comfort and safety. Besides that, this hammock is very easy to set up. No tools required, it takes just minutes. And it comes with the storage bag for easy transportation. This double hammock is very nice. It's definitely a great addition to any outdoor space, including backyard, patio, deck, pool. And you can always take it with you to go, for example, to the camping, picnic or beach. I like this product very much. I love the quality and it's so comfortable. I would highly recommend it to you.